Struggling to find a Mother's Day cake that actually tastes as good as it looks? I found one! And good news sa mga South peeps, may branch na ang Hearts and Bells sa SM South Mall. Madali nyo lang silang malolocate kasi nasa ground floor lang siya near the entrance. Malapit na ang Mother's Day. If you want something na pretty and masarap, this is a strong option. As a mom, I'm telling you, presentation matters, but taste matters more. These cakes, soft chiffon, di sobrang tamis kaya magugustuhan ng mga moms, but still flavorful. Balance siya, hindi nakakaumay, pretty and equally yummy cakes. My go-to here is their ube cloud cake. Rich ube flavor, creamy, smooth, classic but done right. Ako lang ba yung na-excite kapag may bagong flavor ng cake na itatry? Hearts and Bells also has cocoa pandan cake and I didn't expect this. May soft buko sa gitna, then yung dominant na taste here is the toasted coconut or latik at the middle. It's different in a good way, comforting but unique, parang upgraded classic Filipino dessert. Perfect pang regalo sa mga dear moms natin this Mother's Day. Or if you're a mom like me, reward natin sa sarili natin for doing a great job. Kaya kung taga-South ka, check out Hearts and Bells at SM South Mall. Solid pick for a Mother's Day cake.